Rainy ride. The sky is dark and frightens me. The road is slick and slippery. The wipers clear my cloudy view. Driving home to be with you. I thank goodness not much traffic. This 2-lane road is narrow, dangerous. Farmland set on either side. Scenic landscape for my daily ride. Days are shorter, sunlight waning, humidity's gone, and the season's changing. Appreciate every minute I drive. Focus, pay attention, stay alive. Closer, closer to my home. No longer in the car, driving alone. Have a meal, relax a while. Tomorrow again, driving miles.